Alright, so we went through security. Our flight leaves in like 5 minutes. I can't find Ashley anywhere. I'm kind of panicked right now. Bangkok has her now. Oh, there she is.
You woke up in Krabi.
So we just arrived at the airport in Krabi. We had a bunch of ladies shouting at us to come and take their shuttles, so we decided to give it a chance. Alright, let's do it. So, we're in Krabi. We just got into our room. This is apparently our view. It looks exactly like what we signed up for, and we're pretty pumped. Sun's already down. Hopefully tomorrow's an amazing day. I don't even think you can have a bad day here, even if it rains. Happy wife.
About 6:08 in the morning, and we're just getting up to watch the sunrise.
And listen to the roosters caw? Roost?
So we're actually staying in Onang Beach, which is part of Krabi. It's a quieter beach, much quieter than Railay Beach. Railay Beach? Railay. Which is where we're going to be going today. We're just going to take a longtail boat, which we're really excited for, and we're going to just hop over for $8 return trip, go spend the day there. Might do a hike up to Scenic Point that we've heard about, and pretty pumped. The day is perfect, even though they said thunderstorms all day, so you can't believe the weather here.
Welcome to Railay Beach!
Alright, so we got to the Railay viewpoint. We heard it was steep and you had to use ropes and things to climb up. We did not realize just how steep that was. I don't know if you can see that or not. When we both saw it, we were like, holy sh**.
It's completely vertical.
We made it up the mountain. We made it to the Railay viewpoint. The hike wasn't that bad. It's pretty warm though. We got to do it in the shade. Still no snakes, which is really, really big for me.
I have no words. This is amazing. We just made it to the lagoon, and it was a crazy hike down. Definitely not for the faint at heart, but it was so worth it.
I don't think any camera or picture or video will do this justice. You kind of have to come here and see it for yourself. Like, come on, where else can you see that scenery?
So we decided to stop for lunch, and we were walking back in this beautiful sunny day, and then I guess this is really common in Krabi where it just started to downpour. Now I think it's starting to clear up. It's pretty good now, but good thing we stopped for lunch and a beer.
So what we definitely notice here in the last couple of days, especially down here, is that everyone's so accommodating. People just want to be hospitable and just, you know, make things so that you enjoy your experience. You have great dinners. They don't try to rush you out, and you know, so far it's been really pleasant that way. You never know what to expect going to a new place, and especially when you don't fully speak the language. It's been great.
We're really excited. We're doing a tour today of Phi Phi Island, so we're pretty pumped. We're going to be doing it by speedboat. I'm super excited. It's looking a little bit overcasty today, but that's okay. The weather is beautiful. The temperature is good.
I'm super pumped because, you know me, anything to do with a boat and on the water is amazing.
So we just stopped at the Phi Phi Islands for lunch.
So far, out of all the islands and beaches we saw, what's your favorite?
Relay Bay. Yeah, that one. It was so beautiful. We were just like, I felt like we were just tucked away amongst a bunch of like beautiful limestone cliffs. It was amazing. So we just arrived at Tiger Cave Temple. There's 1,237 steps up to the top. Apparently this viewpoint is incredible, so I can't wait to see it. Okay, so I don't know exactly where we are, how far we've made it up, but it's been pretty aggressive with the monkeys so far. They stole my wet wipes.
Almost
Time to
stole
keep
my phone.
going. Almost stole his phone. Okay, so we're at step number 820. I'm dying here. And the monkeys are crazy.
They jump on your back. They open your zippers. They tried to take my phone out of my pocket.
Yeah,
He was just a baby.
this is crazy. Look at the size of these steps.
They're Cody sized.
Okay, so these are the last like 20 steps, I think. It's go time. We made it! Cody! One more step! Yay! So we made it up to the top of Tiger Cave Temple. It was the hardest climb we've ever done by far, and it's definitely worth it. This is amazing.
We just came down from the mountain. This time was a little different because there was only about one monkey whenever there was about 150 going up that were opening bags, snatched my phone almost, intimidating you. Just intimidation. They were blocking
the stairs.
You didn't know what to do. I stopped for 20 minutes at one step because I didn't know how to get past. The view was definitely worth it. One of the best parts is actually when you're walking down, even though your legs are shaking like crazy, watching people walk up knowing that you have already done that.
I feel pretty accomplished right now.
I can't even put into words. Like, that was one of the hardest things we've ever done, but it was one of the best things we've ever done.
Alright, so we just got on our ferry boat that's going to take us from Onang to Phuket. The day is really nice right now. It's going to be about a 2-hour, 15-minute ride, so I'm sure we'll get to see a lot of good sights. So we never know what we're going to see.
So we are on a ferry and it is like crazy storming right now. There's like thunder and lightning everywhere. The long-tail boats are just like flopping all over the place. Like, this is crazy. What a difference. It was like sunny 5 minutes ago.
There was just a lightning strike, and the thunder that rolled after that was